alafu click claim. Okay, hello brothers, hope you are okay. Yeah, is mtoto mpya. So just now I want to show you how to get a point vikitokana na activities unafanyia hapa katika hii MetaMask. So cha kwanza wewe nenda kwenye Play Store ufanye update your MetaMask. Okay, after update utakuja hapa ubonyeze reward. Okay, after that they will show you checking region. So here you see rewards are here, endpoint for your activities. So it means that activities zote, kazi zote unafanyia katika hii MetaMask app zote watakupa bonus depend on your activities, send, receive, swap. Understandable? So click get started. Yes, you see here endpoint on every trade, every swap, and per trade you make MetaMask get you closer to rewards, of course. So add your account and switch, and watch your point add up. All right, so it means that every swap, kila swap unafanya, receive, trade unafanya katika hii MetaMask, utahembwa, utapewa point juu ya hizo activities. Okay, continue, click next. So yes, after that click next again. After that click next again. All right, you see here you will earn easy 250 point when you sign up. All right, you will put your referral code. Okay, you will put my referral code mtoto mpya. For example, hiyo code utaitoa kwenye group WhatsApp. All right, okay, you will put here hii code is this. After that iki nafanya verification. So naona validating referral code, wait a moment. All right, very good. So very good, you see. So you will earn easy point 500 when you sign up with this code. All right, use a referral code to earn easy point 250 and more. Okay, click claim. Please check hii code, referral code. You see here tayari VM wameona kabisa ni referral code ya ukweli yenyewe, alafu click claim. Okay, remember to give me subscribe izi mtoto mpya. Alright, hapa tayari. Yes, hapa tayari. If you want you can add another account. If you have two account, ukiwa na account mbili, ukiwa na account tatu, unaweza kubadilisha account ya kwanza wakakupa point, account ya pili wakakupa point. Alright, but me is one account. After nyuma ya hii account nitafanya nyingine account because I have many accounts. Alright, bonyeza kwa haka and check. Okay, very good. So you see season end kwa hizi siku season itakuwa end. Alright, season itakuwa ended. Tafadhali ingia na wewe upate hizi point, please upate hizi point. Alright, you see this is my point. This is a season 1. Alright, season 1. So if you want to invite, you see here swap hizi point kwa hizi pay point hizi kwa hizi referral code. If you want your referral link utabonyeza hapa kisha ufanye copy. copy haka. Hii ndiyo referral code mtatumikisha hii ndiyo referral ya mtoto mpya, ni kode ya mtoto mpya. Okay, thank you so much. Remember subscribe and remember to invite your friends. Okay.